Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. And if you have a dog you love but you don't love the smell of their paws, I highly recommend trying this Paw Cleaner. It's from Be Happy Paw. It's a waterless foam shampoo. The easy to use applicator and pump action on this waterless foam shampoo makes it so simple to clean my dog's paws. So when we walk, she often can walk in areas where not only her feet get dirty, but sometimes she walks on the lawn of neighboring homes, and I know that they may use pesticides. So it's really important for me to clean her feet effectively but quickly because I don't want to be irritating to her. This waterless foam shampoo does everything I need it to do. It's easy to use, it's effective, and Honey does not mind it at all. Plus it has an applicator that makes it so simple. So if you love your dog, but you want to keep their paws clean, then I highly recommend trying this. This is from Be Happy Paw. It's the waterless foam shampoo. Honey has been okay using it, and I've been really happy with the results. And that is my point of view.